Hi everyone, my name is Kirana Marika Saswati. I am from Public Administration Class A, first year, with student ID number S125090005. Today I would like to share with you my exciting and memorable experience during Eid. So first, I woke up at 4 a.m. in the morning. I immediately took a shower and then performed the Fajr prayer. After that, I got ready and wore my best clothes to go to the mosque for the Eid Fitri prayer. Jadi aku bangun jam 4 pagi, terus ya mandi, abis itu sholat subuh, terus siap-siap pakai baju lebaran, terus otw ke masjid buat sholat Idul Fitri. And then next, after the when I to the mosque with my family, I walking together with our neighbors. When we arrived, I had to find a spot in the mosque yard because inside was already full karena aku datangnya agak telat. Ya lanjut. Jadi aku jalan sama tetangga sama keluarga juga. Biasanya kalau mau sholat id itu bareng-bareng kan jalannya. Terus after the prayer end, I walked back home while greeting people along the way. I shook hands with many people, even some whose face I didn't recognize. I felt warm to ask for forgiveness for one to another, filled with laughter and friendly conversation. Jadi aku sama-samaan di jalan pulang itu kan banyak orang-orang yang mudik gitu-gitu, walaupun wajahnya asing cuma kayak ya tetap salam-salaman, terus kayak bercanda-bercanda gitu-gitu. And then next is our year tradition. When we arrive at home, my family, like my father, my mother, and brother, terus and I get ready to ask for forgiveness from each other. A feeling of gratitude and emotion always surrounds in this moment, which is our favorite time as a small family. Jadi aku tuh kalau pulang dari masjid biasa langsung salam-salaman, maafan, dan disitu tuh selalu jadi momen favorit keluarga kecil kita gitu. Karena nggak tahu kenapa kayak hangat aja. Ya lanjut. There is something unique about our family. Usually during Eid, most family cook traditional dishes like ketupat and chicken opor. However, our family different when we never cook this dish like we never cook opor, ketupat, we never cook. Karena kalau opor dan ketupat itu udah mungkin keluargaku tuh banyak yang ngirimin, jadi kita nggak pernah masak itu. And then instead my mother always prepare siomay and bakso to welcome the guests who come to our house. She also serve homemade cakes, which is always loved by the children. Jadi ibuku tuh selalu menyediakan siomay dan bakso untuk tamu-tamu. Terus dia juga menyediakan kue buatan dia untuk biasanya anak-anak kecil yang makan, dan itu selalu jadi favorit. Bahkan favoritku pun kue buatan ibuku. Okay. After eating, we usually take some time to visit the grave of our family members who have passed away. We bring jasmine and rose flowers as a symbol of our visit. Yep. After Returning from the cemetery, we usually rest before continue our activities in the afternoon. Ya biasanya kita abis makan itu ke makam, terus abis dari makam pulang itu biasa kita tidur siang, and then lanjut sorenya, and in the afternoon we usually visit relative whose live quite far from our house. We spend time together there, often staying until late night. Ya jadi biasanya saudara-saudara yang dari jauh tuh antara ke rumah atau enggak keluargaku yang nyamper saudara-saudara, dan ya udah kita have fun, kita saling temu kangen bisa sampai malam. Oke, thank you guys for watching. Segitu aja videonya. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dadah.